12 proven spots to meet mature older women who want sex. Ever wonder where to find mature older women who crave intimacy? The wait ends here. We're delving into a topic that's as intriguing as it is important, uncovering the best spots to meet older women interested in forming intimate bonds. This isn't about fleeting encounters, but meaningful connections. It's about understanding, respect, and passion. So buckle up and prepare to take notes. Brace yourselves as we unveil the 12 proven spots to meet these charming ladies. But wait, before we begin, please subscribe to ensure that you never miss out on any of my crucial stuff. Comment "I subscribe" below, and I will personally welcome you to our community. Let's get started. Spot 12 on the list is wine tasting events. The allure of wine tasting events. These gatherings are not just about savoring the bouquet of a vintage Cabernet or the fruity notes of a crisp Chardonnay. They're about the experience, the atmosphere, the conversations sparked by a shared appreciation for fine wine. They're places where the mature, discerning woman often finds herself. She's there, swirling her glass, discussing the complexities of the wine's flavor profile, and enjoying the company of like-minded individuals. These events attract women who value sophistication, who relish the chance to expand their palates and their social circles. The charm of these gatherings lies in their relaxed, yet refined ambience, where one can strike up an intriguing conversation over a shared bottle. These women are not just sipping wine, they're tasting life, cherishing every drop of the experience. So next time, don't miss out on a wine tasting event near you. Art galleries and museums claim the 11th spot. These spaces are not simply spots for cultural exploration or places to while away an afternoon. They're also a hub for mature women who appreciate the finer things in life. Picture it. Under the soft, thoughtful lighting of a gallery or the hushed reverence of a museum, you'll find women who treasure art, history, and culture. These women, they seek out beauty, connection, and meaning in the world around them. They're the kind of women who value intelligence, conversation, and a shared interest. Now imagine you standing there, admiring a piece of art or an artifact, striking up a conversation about the artist or the era it comes from. Before you know it, you're not just discussing art or history, but life, love, and everything in between. Never underestimate the power of art. It might just lead you to your lady love. Book clubs and libraries take the 10th spot. These havens of literature are not just repositories of knowledge, but also the perfect spot to meet mature women who enjoy a good read. Imagine the striking conversations you could have with women who appreciate literature, a discussion about a novel's plot twist, or an in-depth analysis of a character's development. Libraries and book clubs are often frequented by women who have a taste for the finer things in life, like literature, philosophy, and history. These women are not just well-read, but they are also intellectually stimulating, making them all the more intriguing. Moreover, book clubs usually gather in an intimate setting, providing an excellent opportunity for bonding over shared interests. So, if you're a man of letters, these places could be your gold mines. Who knew that immersing yourself in the world of words could lead you to meet some of the most fascinating older women? Who knew words could pave the way to an intriguing relationship? Dance class is an unexpected but worthy 9th spot. Let's sashay into the world of dance. This setting is a hotbed of activity, frequented by mature women who hold a passion for rhythm and movement. Dance classes are not just about learning steps and sways, they are a vibrant social hub where music and laughter fill the room. From salsa to ballroom, jazz to Zumba, these classes offer a wide variety of dance styles to choose from. Women of all ages, particularly the mature ones, find joy in these classes as they combine the fun of dancing with the benefits of staying fit. It's a space where they can let loose, enjoy the music, and meet like-minded individuals. Dancing requires two to tango, and you could be that partner. It's a perfect setting to strike a conversation, share a laugh, and build a connection. So put on your dance shoes and let the rhythm guide you. Yoga classes, a serene spot at number 8. Yoga, an ancient practice of body and mind, isn't just about achieving inner peace. It's also a wonderful place to meet mature women who are focused on maintaining their fitness and tranquility. It's a realm where mind, body, and spirit intertwine and where connections can be made. Many mature women gravitate towards yoga classes, seeking a haven of relaxation and a place to keep themselves fit and flexible. It's a melting pot of diverse individuals, making it a potential spot for meeting them. As you step onto your mat, you're not just working on your flexibility or mastering the downward-facing dog pose. You're also stepping into a community filled with interesting mature women. So why not give it a shot? Join a class, strike a pose, and strike up a conversation. Who knows, you might just find more than inner peace. A step towards health could lead you to an exciting encounter. High-end grocery stores hold the seventh spot. Yes, indeed, these places are not just about stocking up your pantry. High-end grocery stores are often frequented by mature women who have a penchant for a healthy lifestyle. They appreciate the finer things in life, including the freshest produce, the most exotic ingredients, and the finest quality products that these stores offer. These women are conscious about what they consume, and this consciousness extends beyond their food choices. These women are looking for quality in all aspects of their life, including their relationships. Their frequent visits to these stores not only reflect their preference for a healthy lifestyle, but also provide an opportunity for you to strike up a conversation. Whether it's asking about a particular product, discussing a recipe, or just exchanging a friendly smile at the checkout line, every interaction could be a chance to make a connection. So next time you go grocery shopping, keep your eyes peeled. Luxury shopping malls? A glamorous sixth spot. Here, the air is filled with the scent of freshly brewed coffee, the soft rustle of designer clothing, and the soft hum of affluent chatter. These upscale shopping centers are indeed a magnet for mature, stylish women who appreciate the finer things in life. Imagine the scene: the polished marble floors, the high-end boutiques, the chic cafes. It's a world where elegance meets retail therapy. Here, you might find her, a mature woman with a taste for luxury, browsing through a collection of cashmere sweaters, or perhaps appreciating the craftsmanship of a designer handbag. Now picture yourself there, casually striking up a conversation about the latest fashion trends or the merits of a particular brand. You see, these luxury shopping malls provide an excellent backdrop for engaging conversations with mature women. It's not just about shopping. It's a social experience, a place to connect over shared interests. A shopping spree could turn into a romantic spree. Before we continue, can I beg a little favor? If you're liking what you're hearing, show us some love by pressing that like button. And hey, if you want to be in the loop for our fantastic upcoming videos, make sure to press subscribe and ring that bell so you're always in the know. Oh, and one more thing, drop a quick "I subscribe" down in the comments, and I'll make sure to offer you a warm welcome to our amazing family. All right, enough of that. Let's keep the conversation flowing. Charity events. A noble spot at number 5. Charity events are not just about giving back to society. They often serve as a gathering place for compassionate and empathetic individuals. This environment is particularly attractive to mature women who have a strong sense of community and a desire to make a difference. These events are often filled with individuals who are emotionally mature and have a strong sense of purpose. And these are qualities that mature women find attractive. So, when you attend a charity event, you're not just doing a good deed, but you're also putting yourself in an environment where you can meet like-minded individuals. From galas to fundraisers, charity events are diverse, offering numerous opportunities for meaningful interactions. And who knows? In the process of contributing to a noble cause, you may find yourself crossing paths with a mature woman who shares your passion for making a difference. Doing good might lead you to someone good. Cruise ships, a dreamy spot at number 4. Let's set sail on the vast blue oceans where the gentle sea breeze and endless horizons create an enchanting setting. Cruise ships, my friends, are more than floating hotels. They are a favorite vacation spot for mature women seeking a blend of relaxation, adventure, and luxury. These ships are teeming with activities and social events, creating ample opportunities for interaction. From exciting on-deck parties to intimate dinners with a sea view, there's always something happening. The beauty of a cruise is that it provides a shared experience, and shared experiences are the best icebreakers. You can strike up a conversation over a cocktail at the poolside bar or perhaps during a salsa class. The possibilities are endless, so if you're ready for a unique experience, pack your bags and board a cruise. You never know who you might meet on the high seas. Sail your way to an exciting encounter. Cooking classes, a delicious spot at number 3. Who doesn't love good food and great company? It's no secret that many mature women enjoy the culinary arts, making cooking classes a hotspot for potential encounters. These classes are not just about stirring up delectable dishes, but also about stirring up conversations and connections. Picture this: you're in a warm, inviting kitchen, surrounded by the tantalizing aromas of spices and freshly baked bread. Across the counter, a woman is skillfully chopping vegetables, her eyes sparkling with excitement as she talks about her favorite recipes. There's an instant connection, a shared passion that transcends age and time. These classes offer an intimate setting where you can bond over a mutual love for food. They provide the perfect opportunity to showcase your culinary skills, impress with your knowledge of exotic spices, or simply learn something new together. So don your apron and grab your spatula. It's time to turn up the heat and stir up some romance. Who knew cooking could spice up your love life? Luxury spas, a relaxing spot at number 2. Now let's dive into the world of tranquility and opulence. Luxury spas, a favorite spot for mature women who love to indulge themselves in the finest of experiences. Here, amidst the soothing music, intoxicating aroma of essential oils and the calmness of the environment, women often find their haven. These spas are frequented by women who appreciate the finer things in life, who are not afraid to pamper themselves, and who understand the importance of self-care. This makes luxury spas an excellent meeting point. The serene and intimate setting of a spa encourages easy conversation and connection. A simple compliment about a treatment or a shared appreciation for relaxation can easily spark a conversation. So, whether you're seeking a relaxing massage or a rejuvenating facial, you never know who you might meet. A relaxing day at the spa could turn into an exciting encounter. And finally, the top spot goes to online dating sites. In today's digital age, online dating sites are a burgeoning hotspot for mature women seeking intimate connections. Their widespread popularity is due to the convenience and vast array of potential suitors at their fingertips. It's a modern-day platform where feelings blossom and love stories unfold. These sites offer a safe space for mature women to explore and engage in meaningful relationships. So, log in and let the love saga begin.